Okay, on this question, it says match each slope with the type of line it will produce. Slope of 4, slope of does not exist, slope of 0. What kinds of slopes and lines are they? Well, let me draw a little picture over here to help. So basically, let me draw like 3 graphs. Let me draw 4 graphs. Yeah, I'll do 4. All right, so if you have a line that goes up like that, that's a positive slope. And if you have a line that goes down like that, that's a negative slope. So it's always up to the right or down to the right. Right, so as we go, it's always as we go to the right. Because you might say, well, this line goes down, mister, and I'm this way. You might say, here I am, I'm walking this way, I'm going down. Well, yeah, we always mean as you go to the right. So whenever we talk about slope, positive or negative, we mean as you go to the right, this one goes up. As you go to the right, this one goes down, negative, okay? Now, what about if you have a line that is flat, like that, a flat line? Well, that is a 0 slope, and that's a horizontal line, right? Like the horizon, is flat. That's a horizontal line, 0 slope, because it doesn't go up at all. You know what I mean? Like if you're a person, here, I'm gonna draw a little person. You are a person. I'm a person too. If you're a little person walking on this line, there's no steepness. If you're walking back and forth on that line, there's no steepness at all, is there? It's totally flat. It's just flat ground. No slope, 0 slopes, no steepness. Okay. And now the last case, what if you're on a line that's like perfectly straight up and down? That's like a cliff. That's a vertical line. What now that can't be 0 slope. You know what it is? It's D and E slope. Because it's what you know what D and E actually means? Infinity. That's what it means. And why we say D and E is because it's not an actual number. Infinity is not a number. You could say, well, it's 10 million. Well, that's not even big enough. It's actually infinity. But we can't say infinity. So we just say it does not exist, meaning there's no number. There's no actual number. So if you have a perfectly vertical line, it's so darn steep that you can't even give it a number. It's actually infinity. So you say does not exist. Where if it's flat, that's just 0 slope. All right, so let's connect these. What 4? That's a positive slope. So that's uphill, left to right. That's up. Okay, and then does not exist. That's the vertical. And then the last one, 0. That's the horizontal, flat. And so there we go.